When you bite or eat Awiesum, it has to be grow. You are all welcome to Safubafu's TV. Awiesum, yes, one better be where I do, grow. We have many methods for Awiesum or Bamfo Bisi, Minyan Fanti from Wahana. To prepare this Safubafu special Awiesum, you need to boil water with milk and add sugar according to how you want the taste to be or how you want your health to be today, tomorrow, or in the near future. When the water and the milk start boiling, add your sugar or honey, After adding the sugar, stir it, and then add little salt. And this Awiesum is basically made from dried, grinded maize. Awiesum is very popular in the northern region and Volta region. If you suspect that the boiling water with the milk, with the sugar, with the little salt is plenty than the Awiesum, then pour little aside. Anybody who has stayed in the northern region or in the Volta region or who has stayed with the Voltarian or a northerner would realize that this is how to make Akwele. Akwele is different from Banku. In order to prepare Akwele, you need to boil the water first and pour some of the boiling water aside and then begin to pour the Awiesum in it bit by bit according to the texture that you want it to be. Because we are going to use it for Awiesum, we are not going to overcook it. And the texture too, we want it to be hard. We don't want it to be soft. So add the Awiesum according to the water or the level of the water or the quantity of the water. We want it to be thick. Epese emuye bawe. Where there are been that an air canish after it has been formed like a banku style. Let it boil or let it cook for some time and then remove it or transfer it into another bowl. Immediately you transfer it into another bowl, let it cool down until wonsa. So after it has been cooled down, pour a little of the Awiesum onto it and begin to mix it like you are mixing a mortar. Sometimes people say that I don't have any business idea. No, never say that. When you watch Safubafu's video, what you are watching now, in fact, is a business. Just package it, make it nice, and you are off to go. If you try and does not sell, try your hands on another thing. I have many videos on business. The shape of Awiesum is like kosia. You can make it in your own style, in your own way, with simplicity. Opportunity is everywhere, but sometimes it is just that we only see things we want to see. To start a business, you don't need huge capital or sophisticated machine. If you want to start, example, Awiesum business, what do you need? You just need your hands, your Awiesum, inkatie, your bidie, your awa, your eja de obetimi akosobi wo the next house krano or masobi obetimi akosobi. And when you finish, you put it in your sieve. The sieve, if you don't have some copper efo kwajo carpenter achaw or the befriu, when you go to Echima and you come, after watching Safubafu's videos on YouTube and you still don't have any business idea, then naye wara. Everything begins with a thought. No organization can rise faster than the thought of the leader or the founder. The problem is not about not achieving your goals, but it is about not setting one. Where do you want to go? What do you want to see? Where do you want to be? What do you want to do with your life in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years? There is one thing that is never taught in schools. That is how to set your own goals. Nobody can do this job or business for you. It is your own business. It is your own cup of tea. Because nobody knows where you want to go, where you want to be, what you want to do with your life. Setting goals for your life is a lonely business. It is a lonely journey. We can only guide you, speculate many things in your mind, but at the end of the day, you have to be choosy because anything or any decision you take today, it has its consequence. Tell me what you want, and I will tell you how to get it. If you never know what you want, you can never know how to get it. Yankwaso mira film ho kra say echi awiesum. So after making the awiesum in the shape of how you want it, heat the oil. Don't overheat the oil. If you overheat the oil, infinfin no emme. So after putting it inside the hot oil, you have to be turning it occasionally. So making awiesum is very simple and easy. Always choose simplicity. Simplicity is the best way to success. So after it has been fried in the oil for some time, you can feel it. I can feel it. That abin. So it is very important to fry it in a medium heated oil.
It's hard for me to see what kind of signal that you would have about IoT, but people start to have much more. I guess people start to experience the world in a much richer. People have a much richer experience of the world. It's hard to say buying something that hasn't happened before.
Principle number 1, our financial freedom active income. You can active income as a trainer say sika unya free adwuma woye ama obi anase woye ama company bi. Obi here active income for obrasha se no. So when we school anase when nya kwanyampo anko school a uhia se obeye obi adwuma. For the beginning no obehwehwe adwuma humble. When nya adwuma ene wo certificate anase wo school ana onim de ekokra uhia active income uhia adwuma ebetimi de sika abrawo ye active income no so wanya adwuma pe unya sika your friend no work no pay. But sa active income we intimi ema financial freedom so obi anu obefa obedua adwuma se obetwa sika ama wanya sika ase no da be ndi bi ni ho sa. Rule number 2 for acquiring financial freedom.
Organizations got bigger, and as projects became more complex, everything just slowed down, and innovation just starts going down like crazy. And that is largely because there was just a lot of coordination costs. Right? People didn't really have a way to very quickly respond to market conditions or market changes because they need to constantly figure out how do they trust the information or validate the information that's coming, right?
He's the founder. There's not a lot out there on the project, but you've been around for a while, so I wanted to go over it and kind of keep it from
Okay.